Hey you guys, EsiK The Homesteddah here with episode number 2, Grow with What You Got. All right, you guys, I hope you are doing well. Another video on use what you got to grow. I was excited about bringing this DIY to you guys as well. Turn your trash into treasure. So, okay, you guys, so y'all know I had all the renovations, remodeling, things of that nature, and I didn't want to get rid of things. So, what else did I decide to turn into treasure? All right, you guys. Nobody said, what is that there go little SEO2 down? All right, you guys, so I decided to turn my son's vanity into a raised bed. All right, you guys, so y'all see, let me move this out the way because I want y'all to really see this. Do y'all see this vanity sink cabinet still looks brand new after almost 17 years. No water damage underneath the sink area with the piping and none of that. No damage. So again, I said this is not going in the garbage. It's going to become a grow raised bed. So what I did, and now that I have done it, you know, after you do things, you figure out ways that you could have done it better, right? So what I did was I added a construction bag on the inside. I filled it up with soil. It took 2 bags of, I know I love the green, the star green. Y'all know the cube, I call it the cube bag. And I used 2 bags of those to fill it up. And I also well, I'm not gonna pull it out, but the drawers are still intact. So what I did with the drawers was I drilled holes in the drawers, each drawer, but right now I had stapled the bag so that the bag could hold while I pour the soil into the bag. So underneath here you see the bag, right, you guys? Y'all see that? So I actually put holes, little holes in the bag for drainage, so I won't have no problem draining. And you know, the wood is like a MDF board kind of wood, so it'll drain fast. I don't know the longevity of this cabinet being outdoors, but I'm gonna use it until I can't use it no more. But right now it's beautiful, it's clean. It's been out in the rain. I haven't seen any damage just yet. I don't see any swollen wood just yet, but I'm pretty sure it will. But I'm sure that I'm gonna get some wear out of it too, so I'm gonna use it as long as I possibly can. Now I thought about what else I could have used. Now if you guys try this, please make sure you guys drop me a line or tag me in it some kind of way, maybe on Instagram or even on YouTube. Now what I could have done different is you can actually put a box in here, a regular cardboard box that's big enough, and fill your soil up in the box. Okay, could have done it that way. Another way it could be done is if you have a muslin bag. If you have a muslin bag, that will be perfect. Okay, use a muslin bag. Now I have been getting rid of not rid of my cardboard, but I have been filling it up in my trellis area. And I know I had a cardboard box that was pretty much the size of this cabinet, but I've been, you know, taking them apart and putting them out here so they could decompose right out here in the trellis area. But the construction bag is working right now. I don't know how long the bag is gonna last, but right now I'm sure I could get through the summer with it. So again, I filled up all the drawers. My son, he put holes in the drawers so they have good drainage in the drawers, as well as I put holes in the bag so that they have drainage there as well. So more than likely, it's just gonna drain out, you know, just flow where it needs to flow. But again, this is how it's looking on the inside. Okay, family? And the drawers are in here, both on each side. I'm not sure what I want to put in the drawers, but I'm thinking I might put some pansies in it. And I think like white pansy would be really pretty with the white cabinetry, or even begonias, you know, something pretty. But I may put those on the side. But right now I did pick up some celery. And I said, well, this is my first attempt to grow celery. And we're going to sit that there. And I might put it in there. I'm not sure how much root space celery needs. And I'm not sure how much this. I also bought some transplants of Brussels sprouts because my sister loves Brussels sprouts. But growing up, we couldn't stand them things. So I said, well, I never grown Brussels sprouts. So let me try. I'm definitely going to attempt to grow a lot of different things that I have never tried to grow. And celery, Brussels sprouts is one of those. And it's a couple more out there that I haven't grown. So, being that this is so ready to be planted in, I'm going to do Brussels sprouts. I'm going to sporadically plant them, and also the celery. And then in the drawers, I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Put some begonias or some pansies to make it look more pretty. So my star green soil is already in there. I have my worm castings over here, and I'm just gonna you know, make a trench, a little trench. And I'm gonna take the camera off so you guys can see. I want you guys to get a look at how nice this looks. So just bear with me. Let me move this over so I don't trip my stage curtain. Okay, you guys, I know y'all probably don't see me the way y'all want to see me, but as you can see, the soil is very high up. So I made sure I came up, and I probably could have came up a little bit more, but I wanted to settle after I plant the transplants in it, and then it rains. I probably will top it off with more soil. Okay.